Now for our ETF Spotlight, Dom Chu is back at HQ. He's taking a look at financials with big banks passing the first round of the Fed's annual stress test. Dom.
35 check marks, Morgan. Like you said, all of them pass in that particular mark. And so we are seeing a little bit of the activity on the upside for those financials today. As you can see here with the S&P 500 financials so far today, we're up about 1/3%. So just about in line with the overall market. And we have been hovering somewhat in a range so far. As you take a look at the overall sector picture, we do see that financials are among maybe just in line some of the laggards here. If you take a look at the year-to-date chart on some of the ETFs that have tracked this particular market, we put up the S&P 500 ETF, the SPDR, year-to-date, the Financial Select Sector SPDR, ticker XLF, and then one that tracks the regional banks. This is ticker KRE. You can see here that those regional banks have really outperformed not just the financial sector overall, but the market as well, so something to keep an eye on. As for today's trade with regard to those ETFs and what's driving them, there are certain stocks that are focusing on today, so let's take a look at some of those over here in this particular element because we are seeing intraday moves in the big ones. We're talking JP Morgan Chase, we're talking the likes of Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. As you can see here, all four of these guys moving to the upside so far today. They are driving some of that action. We are seeing a little bit of a pickup in volume for some of these ETFs, Carl. Whether or not it stays that way remains to be seen, but still those stress tests at least perhaps providing a little bit of a positive catalyst in today's trade.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.